Hello everyone. Today is March 20th, the first day of spring, which is really exciting. If I look a little bit silly at the moment, it's because I went to the dentist this morning and I only have half a smile right now, so I apologize for that. But anyways, currently my chauffeur, husband Spencer, is driving me to Kashus's house because I'm getting my hair done today. And we're kind of doing a little bit of a collaboration together, Kashus and I, so that's why I'm vlogging today. But yes, heading over to Kashus's. Check her out on Instagram if you haven't already. Hashtag hair by Kashus, hashtag hair magician, hashtag thanks for making me look so pretty all the time. Okay, and that is all. Okay, bye. Using my Sigma E40 brush. This is going to be a super blown out eyeshadow look. Just building it up a little bit at a time. And we're going for a festival, kind of like Coachella vibe for the makeup look today. And the hair, which will be all Kashus later. Bringing it up to the corner or the end of my brow, and I glitter all over my face.
Standard day here by Kashus. We're getting ready for a festival photo shoot. Why? Because we can.
Chopping.
So alright!
All your hard work. But seriously, you did this whole look like so fast.
Yes, like takes 2 seconds.
Because hair by Kashus is just the best.
Wow! See, everyone gets a pink clip. Everybody gets clipped. Okay, so you want kissing the shoulder.
I'm committed. Do what you think would look best on me. You're the hairstyle.
I know my this.
You know who you are. You know what you want.
You know
what I want. What do I want? I don't know what I want. Okay.
I want what you want. It's so funny. People come in here and they have like a picture and they're like, I want it like this, I want it like this, I want it like this, and they're like, oh, you just do you. And I'm like, girl, fuck, okay. Like, I'm taking none of that. Okay, we're gonna cut off the most of it. Are you ready? We're gonna do just a big chunk, yeah, and then I'm gonna fine tune it after. Okay.
How many inches is that?
Actually, I am. About 6.
Half a foot?
That's my whole foot and 2 inches maybe. Okay.
Ay, shit.
She's got the razor out.
You ready?
No going back now. Definitely no going back now. Oh my, like, look how long that was. We did it! We did it!
You look like a totally different person.
Do I?
Yeah, already. Yeah.
You look older.
Yes.
You look classier.
Yes.
Well, that's what I'm going
Not
for.
the
Yes.
other thing, like, obviously it's nice and it's flattering, it works, but this is like game changer.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Look how shy it is! But it's good, it's fresh, and I love it. I'm loving it already, and it's not totally dry. This girl is a hair magician. Seriously. I love it. How you feel? I feel so good.
Oh